Good morning!
And welcome to What a Date Wednesday!
What a Date Wednesday! Say yay! This is a really important day. Amelia is going back to school today. Freedom! Good morning! Welcome back to What a Date Wednesday.
Found a picture of you and me. A little faded by I still see you. Feels like love songs and whispers in the trees.
It is 8:17, kids have gone to school. I'm so excited. I actually feel like a free woman. I mean, I've still got Andrea here, but it's so much easier when all the kids are at school. And there was less fighting this morning. It was just so much better because everyone's on the same page and it's just back to normal, kind of. So I'm going to show you my breakfast that I have prepped from the night before. So I've just put in half a cup of porridge, some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and then I've made this concoction. I've put in my whole protein shake in here, so it's underneath. It's 40 grams of the vanilla protein powder, and then I'm just going to add actually 1.5 cups. I was going to say 3 half cups, 1.5 cups of water to this, and it tastes amazing. It looks like it's really big, and it basically makes like an oaty cake. It is so good with the vanilla protein powder. So I'm going to make this now. It's about 8:27. Breakfast is ready. Finally sitting down, gonna get some work done. I've got all of my little tools here. My laptop, my planner, my 2 little journals, and this is my breakfast. So like I told you, it is huge, but it's so satisfying and fills you up so well. I've been making this for a few days now and I just love it. And then I've got a licorice and peppermint tea, and that is gonna be my breakfast. It's 10:56 and I'm still full from breakfast, from my massive protein porridge. But I just wanted to share, because I thought it would be fun to share Jonathan's breakfast, because he's having his breakfast now. Jonathan is recently, if you don't watch our daily vlogs, you won't know this, but he's recently got into running, and he's doing like 12, well, what is it now? 15K runs like every single day, like 6 days a week. So he's mental. But this is his breakfast. So if you're curious as to what a 40-year-old dad of 4 runner eats, then this is it. So he's having 2 fried eggs. We get those little snap pots of beans, baked beans. 3, these are actually cauliflower hash browns, aren't they? Are these the cauliflower ones? Cauliflower hash browns, and 3 slices of turkey bacon, and a little sprinkling of cheddar cheese. And it's actually really healthy, like good fueling breakfast. I would never eat this just because I can't stomach bacon. I don't know what it is. I've just never been a bacon fan, and I know that's turkey bacon, but I don't know. I never when we go to restaurants and stuff, like our hotels, I never get the fry ever.
I always do.
And that's not like because of any other reason then I just don't like them. Like I would rather get a sweet breakfast than a savory one. I would never have an omelette. What else would I probably never get?
You always get like the dried stuff, granolas and the fruit and stuff. And I'm always like, oh, too lazy to cook this at home.
No, I would get, like if I was having like a treat, I would get like pancakes or waffles or French toast. That's like if I was really having a treat.
That to me is like...
But you see, I always go on the side of like the sweet.
Yeah, I'm the same.
And like for me, like porridge and stuff like that, like I make those things sweet, you know? Like I add things in. Like the brown sugar, or the cinnamon, or the vanilla protein powder, like they're all sweet things, or like dates I've done before, raisins. Whereas this is more like a savory brunch.
What a date Wednesday!
Right, enjoy your breakfast, brunch. I'm almost ready for lunch. It's currently 1:45. Yeah, almost 1:45. And I'm having leftovers for lunch. So these are 2 spinach turkey meatballs. Oh my gosh, that gave me such a fright. Oh, my toast. And then I've got leftover cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, which I just roasted in the oven with olive oil, salt, and pepper. I was very sneaky, and I took this slice of sourdough, which looked so good. I'm just gonna put some butter. I found this in the fridge. And it's supposed to be for tomorrow's brunch that we're doing with YouTube. But I stole it. I stole it because it looked really good. And there's 2 slices, so I'll just have one today and then one tomorrow. It's not a big deal. Okay, so that is gonna be my lunch. Spinach turkey meatballs, cauliflower and broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and then a slice of stolen sourdough toast and my bottle of water. It is
twice in one video.
It's 2:45, and I'm actually cooking dinner. And I just made a little snack. Are you like here for the snack or something?
I already have my snack.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you did.
And,
so I made these, they're Chunky Monkey muffins, and I'll put the recipe down below. I always do, but they have walnuts in them and banana, Jonathan's fave.
I can smell it.
And chocolate chips, and then, oh, where's my coffee gone?
It's just the flavour of banana. There's just some things, you know, it's like...
I love it.
I like all the protein.
And then here's my decaf
fiber and
coffee.
everything. I just don't like the like spinach. I like what spinach gives you, but I don't like the sliminess of spinach.
Okay, well, I love spinach, so we obviously are on different wavelengths. Anyway, this is my decaf coffee, and I'll show you the milk that I use, because I changed back to this one. This one was the one that I used to use all the time. It's the Almond Breeze Barista blend, and it is so good for frothy coffees. So that's going to be my little snack. And just to say, I actually didn't have any eggs when I made this recipe, so I added in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed instead. Did you know you could do that?
Amazing. I'm learning a lot.
I know, I'm so talented. It's about almost 5:20, and we are having our dinner that I made earlier. Well done. And tonight I made kind of like a Chinese style fried rice with chicken. So it was so easy. I did chicken. I shredded courgettes, carrot, and yeah, there's actually courgettes in there, which you don't even like. And then I just scrambled 2 egg whites and 1 egg. I did cauliflower rice. I just added some balsamic glaze and some toasted sesame oil, and that's it. It was so easy and quick to make. So this is what it looks like. And then I've got my water, and that is our date night dinner. It is 6:45, and I'm about to put Alessia to bed. Jonathan and I are about to put the babies to bed. So they go to bed first now, and then Amelia and Eduardo get an extra hour to half an hour. I think I'm gonna put Eduardo to bed a little bit earlier though. Like I'm gonna give him like half an hour maybe. Depends on when I actually get myself to bed. I mean, ready for bed, because I'm in my pajamas, but I'm not. I'm actually wearing the same pajamas as I wore last week, I think. I may be a week behind, but anyway, I don't know. I filmed these a week ahead of myself, so I'm not sure. The video that just went up, I'm wearing the same pajamas. What was I gonna say? So I just took all of my vitamins, and I think on the video that I filmed, like last week's video, I think that I accidentally edited that clip out because I was in the middle of saying what my vitamins were, and then it's like, and I take the contraceptive pill. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm sorry for that. But I do take the same things every single night, every week it's shown. So I've just got them all here. So I've got my pill, which I took, and then this is Well Woman Max. So there's 3 in the pack. People were asking, like, why do you take, you know, this with this, and it's, the reason why is because it all comes in a pack. If you get Well Woman Max, you get 3 tablets. So that's that. And then I also take Benadryl for allergies. That's it. And then my water bottle is here. It's all done. It's all done. So that was number 3. And I'm ready for bed. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. Let's go say night-night to the babies. I put my flip-flops back on. Let's go say goodnight to the babies. Where are they? Oh, here's Jonathan. And here, Alessia, what are you doing? I'm fixing. I think it's too late for that mushroom, I'm afraid.
Daddy.
That's not Daddy. Alright guys, do you want to say night-night to what I ate Wednesday?
Okay, night-night. Hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye. It's Mommy.
Is that Mummy? Aww, he said that's Daddy and that's Mummy, yeah. Is that Dre? Aww, did you see what he just did? He pointed to himself. Right, Andrea, can you say night-night to my vlog? Say night-night. You've got a hair. Say night-night. Alright, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. You're gonna bounce. You're so cute.
Unless you're missing a thumbs up.
And subscribe for more. Check out our daily vlogs if you want to see our craziness that's on there. And I will see you guys next week, next Monday. Bye. Say bye.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dre.